Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Hole tool in Tinkercad, step by step, so you can create clean cutouts, openings, and custom shapes in just a few clicks. If you've ever wanted to subtract one shape from another, this is the exact tool you need. It's one of the most useful features in Tinkercad, especially when you're designing things like boxes, mounts, brackets, or anything that needs a precise opening. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open your Tinkercad design and make sure you're on the work plane. The Hole tool works with any regular shape, so the first thing you need to do is select a shape. You can click any object already sitting on your work plane, or drag a new shape from the Basic Shapes panel if you want to create a fresh cutout. Once you have your shape selected, look at the inspector window in the top right corner. Now here's the key step. In that inspector window, click the Hole button. As soon as you do that, the shape will change from solid to transparent. That transparent look means Tinkercad now treats it like a cutting object instead of a normal solid shape. This is what makes the Hole tool so powerful, because it doesn't add material, it removes it. Next, position your hole shape exactly where you want the cut to happen. You can move it, resize it, and rotate it just like any other object. The important thing is that the hole shape must overlap or intersect with another solid object. If it doesn't touch the solid shape, nothing will be cut away when you group them. So take a moment here and line it up carefully. If you want a centered opening, use the Align tool. If you want a specific custom notch or cutout, just place the hole shape exactly where that detail should appear. Once everything is positioned correctly, it's time to make the cut. Select both the hole shape and the solid object together. Then click the group icon at the top of the screen, or press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. The moment you group them, Tinkercad subtracts the hole shape from the solid object. That's the magic of the Hole tool. The transparent shape disappears as an object, and the solid object is left with a cutout in that exact shape. This is perfect for making windows and boxes, slots for connectors, screw holes, or even complex decorative cutouts. And the best part is that you can combine multiple hole shapes with a single solid object if you want to create more advanced designs. You're not limited to just one cut. If you need to change the cut later, don't worry, you can always adjust it. Just select the grouped object, then click Ungroup, or press Ctrl+Shift+G. Once it's ungrouped, you can move the hole shape, resize it, or reposition it however you want. After making your changes, simply group the objects again to apply the updated cutout. This gives you full control over your design and makes editing super flexible. A quick tip before you finish, always double-check the size and placement of your hole shape before grouping. Since the hole actually removes material, even a small shift can change the final result. Taking a few extra seconds to line things up properly can save you a lot of time later. So to recap, the process is really simple. Select a shape, toggle it to hole, position it so it overlaps your solid object, and then group everything together to subtract the shape. If needed, ungroup, adjust, and regroup until it's perfect. That's all there is to using the Hole tool in Tinkercad. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Tinkercad tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.